FermenSon, your solution to bake a sustainable future. Nowadays, industrial bakeries worldwide encounter a lot of challenges when it comes to producing bread. Some of these challenges are finding the right and skilled staff and dealing with the fluctuating flour quality. Besides that, the demand of consumers for authentic and clean label bread products is rising. This is why we at Sonneveld have developed FermenSon, the clean label liquid bread improver that solves all these challenges. This multi-purpose improver makes the production process more efficient and ensures optimal dough stability and prolonged freshness. The result? Consistent high-quality consumer products with a longer shelf life. There's a range of FermenSon products available for all kinds of applications in bread and also even in laminated products. FermenSon is available in 10-liter bag-in-box packaging as well as large containers. Because FermenSon is liquid, the improver is suitable for automatic dosing installations. This makes FermenSon easy to use. Because of the automatic dosing possibilities, the usage of FermenSon is efficient, time-saving and prevents production errors and waste. The automatic dosing system is a closed system and ensures a cleaner bakery environment. To meet the demands of the modern consumers who has more attention for ingredient declaration, FermenSon is clean label. An extra bonus is that you can store FermenSon at ambient room temperature, up to 9 months. At Sonneveld, we stand next to the baker as a partner. Like you, we wish to achieve the best quality products. Therefore, with FermenSon we create a tailor-made solution which is ideal for your situation. By using FermenSon, we focus on getting the quality of your end products constantly at a high level and in an efficient way. Do you want to know the possibilities of FermenSon for your bakery? Get in touch with us and together we'll find the right solution for you.